process, wanting to let me know that, are you that woman that, bought your husband's gallows? Yes, ma'am. Well, I know somebody, and I'm like, I bet you do. It's always them. I know somebody that's got these two steer, and they're up the road. They really don't want to sell them. Can you buy them? Can you buy them? No, ma'am. I can't buy them, but I can talk to you. And so I started talking. I started having these conversations. I was at Marshall Health Fest in Marshall, Texas. And an 8th generation cattle rancher family comes up to me. They want to talk to me because, guess what? Their kids are going vegan and vegetarian, and they do not want to inherit the cruelty. That's happening. This is happening in our world. These kids do not want to inherit the traditional cattle ranch. So we started the Rancher Advocacy Program. Right now we have a family in Giddings, Texas. It's a 7th generation cattle ranch, and they are in the process of transitioning. So us, along with an organization called Farm Transformers, is helping them change. And Farm Transformers is actually matching an $88,000 donation towards that transformation. So you can find all that on our website, on Farm Transformers website.